Hey, what's up YouTube? So we are back. I got another Acura RSX Type S 0506 model. So this car is gonna be for parts. A lot of people were asking me about like rear taillight conversions for my last one, so got another set. Rear bumper as well. Got the stock exhaust. I believe the Cadillac converter might be sold already, but everything else you see as the wheels, I'll go through all those so you can see if there's how bad the curb rash is. It's not the best Acura RSX Type S, but it does run and drive, or at least I'm gonna go for a drive right now and see how it drives. It wasn't hit too bad. Hopefully there's some radiator fluid in there so it doesn't overheat or anything. This is the K20Z1 with 210 horsepower in 2005 and 201 when they changed the standards. But I really like these engines. They're almost like a mini Type R. If you feel like an RBC manifold, and if you had like maybe an ITR header and ITR map on here, it'd probably be the same, maybe like 3 horsepower less, but they're really good engines. As far as interior, actually isn't too bad, except the seats are starting to tear. But I mean, compared to the seats you see from all the other cars I've had, these are actually in decent condition. Those windows were down, that's why it's all dusty in here and stuff, but other than that, it's not too bad. Yeah, so right now I'm letting it warm up, and then we're gonna go for a little ride right now, make sure the tranny shifts good and everything, and see if we can get VTEC to work, make sure there's no check engine lights. So if anybody else is interested in the swap, that it'll be good. So we'll go ahead and open this gate, and then I'll come back when we get back on the road. All right guys, so we're on the road right now. Sorry for the beeping. This thing doesn't, the seatbelt doesn't lock up right now, so I'm just gonna take it for a little ride, show you how it runs, go through the transmission. Feels pretty smooth, no grinds. This car actually rides pretty good for being crashed still. I mean, the front end was fixed. I doubt you'd probably even be able to tell. So far so good. No check engine lights or anything, so the motor's good. Seems like the car wasn't even modified at all. So I mean, it seems like it's just a stock car. Can downshift in all gears. But yeah, I am going to be parting this car out, so if anybody is interested in it, just let me know. You can hit me up on Instagram for KSeriousWorks. You can also email me at honda.mike1988@gmail.com. I have it posted on Craigslist as well. I can't go on OfferUp because they like blackballed me or whatever, but there's other ways to communicate. But yeah, so far so good. I mean, this thing's driving really nice. I wouldn't mind putting it back together, but I don't know. This costs just as much to put it back as one that's not salvaged or anything, so that's why I guess I prefer not to. What the heck are they doing? Okay. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna just go ahead and take it back home because it's not really supposed to be out right now, but especially with no tags or anything, so yeah, everything else, the seats are really comfortable. Like I said, the stitching is just coming undone on the driver's side, so it's not too bad. It's not like it's ripped or anything. As far as the motor, it's pulling strong, I would say definitely. Let's see if I can get a little VTEC pulling in here real fast. like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to see videos like uploaded as soon as I do it, just make sure you hit the notification. Like I said, once this rain stops, I'm gonna have a lot of work to do. I got my car going, obviously the Z1, and then the new K20Z1 Spider. They're gonna be taking that apart as well. And then I'm gonna be taking the Type R out and putting it into an EK hatchback. So stay tuned. Like I said, a lot of more videos that are coming up. So stay tuned, guys, and take care.